Hey guys, today we are going to be making a custom per server prefix command. So basically what that is you can use different prefixes in different server. For example, in one server I use a dash as my prefix, and in the other I use question mark. So I'm going to show you how to do that. First we are going to make a function. And also we are going to be using AIO SQLite. Sorry, we are going to be using sqlite3, not AIO SQLite, because we cannot make this a async IO function, the function that will get the prefix for us, because you have to use it as a command prefix. So I'll just call this underscore get underscore prefix. Now uh, as a parameters, you have to add bot as the first parameter. Even if your bot instance is client, just add bot as the first parameter, then ctx. I actually, because it's a function, we should give a value to ctx. So this is commands dot context. Yeah. Now we'll just import SQLite. So that is import sqlite3, and you do not need to download anything for sqlite3. It is already it is a package that you already get with Python. Now we'll make the database. So I'll just open my DB browser. Now I'll just click on new database. I'll go to the path. Now here I'll create one called prefixes.db. Now I'll make now it will pop up a table for you. I'll just name this prefixes. Then I'll add a field guild ID. Then I'll also add a field prefix. Both of them will be not null, and prefix will be text. Now we can save this. Now as you can see here, the database has been made. Now I'll just connect to the database. So that is sqlite3 dot connect. Now you have to give the path to your database here. Mine is just in the same directory, so I'll just give prefixes.db. Then I'll define cursor. C equals to db dot cursor. Sorry guys, I'm almost typing await all the time, because like I'm used to using AI or SQLite. But there's nothing wrong with SQLite. AI is just better. Now then we'll just execute something. So c dot execute. Now here we are checking if there already has been a prefix set for the guild, or there is not a prefix set for the guild. So cursor.execute, select prefix from prefixes where guild id equals to ctx dot guild guild dot id. Now I'll just string this. Now we'll just actually first you have to fetch it. So res equals to c dot fetch one. Now then we'll check if there already is c. So if res, then prefix equals to res 0. If not res, then prefix equals to your default prefix here. So mine is dash. Now this should be done. Now we'll just change the command prefix to get prefix underscore get underscore prefix. Actually we'll string this, because not necessary it always comes as a string. Yeah. Now we'll make a function that will add the guild ID whenever the bot joins a guild. So at client.event, actually you don't need the brackets, async def on guild join. Now we'll just give the parameter as guild. Then we'll just connect to the DB again over here. Yeah. Now we'll execute. So c dot execute, Actually, we'll also add another check that if the bot has already joined that guild and has been kicked and is rejoining. So c dot execute select all from prefixes where guild id equals to, actually first I'll f string this, guild dot id. Now after we have done this, we'll just do res equals to c dot fetch one. Now we'll do the same thing. If res, then c dot execute update prefixes set prefix equals to question mark where guild guild id equals to question mark. Then we'll just open a bracket and set the prefix. So I prefer that when someone re-invites the bot to the guild, it resets the prefix for the guild. So I'll just do dash as my prefix and guild.id. Okay, now if not res, so if there is no result, actually for we'll add this before if res c dot execute. Now we'll insert over here. So insert into prefixes. Now then here you have to open the brackets. Now here in prefixes we have given two fields, guild ID and prefix. So here I'll give guild ID prefix. Now values will be question mark. Then I'll give the guild ID as guild.id and the prefix as my default prefix, which is dash. Okay, this should work. Oh, and also I forgot one thing. We have to commit to the db and close it. So db.commit, then cursor, sorry, c.close and also db.close. Now we'll just copy this and put it over here. Yeah. Now this should be our on guild join event. Now we'll make a command to change the prefix. So at client.command at commands.has permissions. Now you can give any permission you want here. I'm just going to have them have manage guild. So manage guild equal to true. Async def change prefix. Now I'll give a aliases. Set prefix. Now ctx and prefix. Prefix is a string. Now then we'll just connect to the DB again. Now here we'll also add a check just in case that when the bot is not online, someone has invited the bot to their guild. So in that case, we need to have a check because we are going to be updating the table, and if there is no guild ID or and no prefix for that guild, how will the um, how will the uh, how will the program know that which guild or where to update? So we'll just do select all from prefixes again. So I'm just saying used to ctx. Why did I do that? ctx.guild.id. Yeah. Now if not res, then actually not await c dot execute insert into prefixes. Now here I don't want it to first insert the default prefix, then again insert the prefix that the author has given. So I'll just directly insert the prefix that the author has given. So uh, guild ID prefix prefix, then values will be question mark, then guild IDs again ctx dot guild dot id, then prefix will be, actually no, we have already stringed it, so no need prefix. Yeah. Now then, if not, actually if res, now we are checking if the result, if there already is a result, then c dot execute. And also we have this check because if you have already invited your bot to servers and like they try to change the prefix, and because this will only insert the IDs to the guild after this function has been put. So example, you have already invited your bot to 10 guilds, and then those guild IDs will not be stored because this function and everything has come later. So c dot execute, um, update prefixes, set prefix equals to question mark, where guild ID equals to question mark. Now prefix equals to prefix and ctx dot guild dot id. Now I also had another check, if len prefix greater than 10, so I don't want my prefix to be greater than 10 characters, equals to dot embed title equals to error, description is dot author dot mention, you, what is it, my spellings, cannot keep the prefix longer than 10 characters. Now I'll just give a color as red, discord dot color dot red. Now I'll just send the embed, so return await cpx dot send and there equals to m. Now we'll, after this we'll define another embed, so m equals to discord dot embed title equals to success, description equals to successfully change the prefix for this guild to prefix. Actually I'll just put it yeah, like that. Then I'll just define the color, so not connect, color equals to discord dot color dot green. What was this, green? Yeah. Now await ctx dot send and red equals to m. Yeah, now this should be it. Let's just try it. I'll run the bot, it should say ready. Okay, wait, here you also have to return the prefix. Return prefix. I'll have to restart the bot. Yeah, the bot is ready. Now I'll just go over here, the bot is online. Now if I do dash help, as you can see it shows the help menu. If I do dash I'll just do set prefix t exclamation mark send. Oh, okay, I think it should have still updated it. Indent. Okay, let's just see what is the error. I'll fix this first. Okay, it's saying it successfully changed. Let's see. It shouldn't have, yeah. There's some error. Where guild ID c.fetch one. Ah, okay. Oh yeah. We're not committing and closing to the database. So before we send the embed, I'll just do that. Now I think yeah, we'll have to restart. Then now if I try this, not that, this again, it should say, and then yeah, as you can see the guild ID is over here and the new prefix is over here. Now if I do t exclamation mark help, yeah, see, it comes. Now if I do dash help, this won't work because we have changed the prefix. Now just to show you that it actually works, I'll just make a new server. I'll create my own testing bots create. And now I have to actually re-invite my bot. Bot administrator testing bots. Yeah. Yeah, it just joined. So now here if I do dash help, here it will work, but here if I do dash help, it won't work. If I do t exclamation mark help, here that will work. If I do dash change, actually set prefix, if I do something like c exclamation mark, now if I do c exclamation mark help, this will work. If I do dash help, this won't work. Now here if I do dash help, again this won't work. If I do t exclamation mark help, this will work. So guys, this is the end of this video. If you liked it, like, share and subscribe. See you next time.